think it may be better to watch this time. We are going to play 5-minute game. And I'm still gonna handle white, and my opponent has played 10,000 game in his life. I think he really likes to play fast game. So you will feel much comfortable. Okay, now I will just answer. Yeah. And everybody knows AI Joseki. Then I will play. And then big place. Attach. Stretch, attach, okay. Kusumi is actually also popular. Okay. Oh, the upper side. Oh, very big. Let's wait for timing to invade here or here. I have a chance here or this one. Just I need to wait when there is a become when they become biggest. If I get in too early, then it's not good. Oh, pincer as well. Okay, fine. Pincer. It's quite annoying. If I just jump here, then he will answer, right? He wanna make this territory naturally. Then normally at this moment we have to use tactics. Yeah. However, he want me to just jump, then he wants to play the knight move, then he wanna tidy here. Okay, so can I make it lower value? I can sacrifice. I just invade here and I will wait for this move. Yeah, I can press this. In case he just answer, then I will say goodbye and just break the upper side. And when he just tried to capture this, I didn't make any bad exchange because he can even decide to play knight move here. But now if I exchange here, even though I give up, he has to step couple times, two steps to get the corner. So now this is tactics. Tactics to break the upper side, and then when he ends okay like this, then I will say goodbye and I will just keep slide here and break the upper side. Keep pushing on here. Oh, block. Their cutting point is a little bit annoying, isn't it? Fine, just take the base and it's okay now then. He really wanna continue to attack. Isn't ready to bid here. Tidying this shape is now is not so hard. I can even Kusumi and let him play, and then Atari here. Okay, now almost my eye shape is perfect. Oh, I reduced enough the upper side, and then I can go out to center. I can block here. I have a two side of the take carrying. Oh, you mean you are asking me tidying the same as settling? Ah, yeah. Just my English word was not suitable. Yeah, just setter. Yeah, right. And now, if I really want to be stable, I can of course block here. But he will capture the corner. Okay, I will use the Tesuji. Can I play here? But when his strategy is a bit bad exchange. Okay, let me start to save here. Instead of Kusumi, he could just capture my stone. But now he didn't. Yeah. I will decide to save this group again because I'm thinking that this is not so weak. Yeah, he just get in here, but I set up the insurance already. I can go out to center. And then going out center position, it seems okay. Keep push on here. And then Hane. Yeah, and then keep answer. He is keep beating my vital point, but vital point has to be when he is strong enough. Now, but black is not so strong. He has to be careful this group. Otherwise, when I just jump here, black may be in trouble. Yeah. I already get here. That's why. It seems black shape is very big, but I am okay. I have a lower side and the right hand side. Okay, keep jump on here. I can connect both group. It's gonna be okay. Next to move, I'm waiting for jump here. Okay, now he's spending time. I think he's thinking to step back here. Oh, he continued to cut there. Oh, is it really okay? If now okay, I can read. If I Atari, then he can Atari. When I capture, then he wanna surround. But I have a better move. I can Atari here, connect, and then connect. I can see cutting point and then Atari here after I play here. White, black should play here. Otherwise, there was no reason to cut. Black's attacking somehow there was too rush. Basically, we should have a trading mind. Yeah, connect. Now there is A and B. Yeah, A and B. Yeah, okay. Then I can capture here. And then block. Those are mine. Oh, this is the one of the basic capturing ways. I just need to block from outside. And then Hane here. Connect. He has played too much overplay. That's making this game is so hard for black. Normally, when we get one side, then we have to we shouldn't press too much another side. Yeah, but just now he wanted to keep attack this way. Okay, now even he's keep pressing me. Should I play stretch or approach? Strategy is also attractive. I can even consider to attack this group while approach. Okay, approach here. When he jump, then I will stretch. Yeah, then I have got both side. Still, black hasn't alive there. Yeah, even I can bother. Okay, Otachi. Oh, Atari. Black is. Oh, he just gave up capturing? Okay, fine, then I will get it. Okay, then retrade. Black is keep trying to separate all of the white. But now he is keep taking two groups. Normally we just need to focus on one group. Okay, now I think I need to keep punch here. Stretch. Stretch. Block. One, two, three, four, five, six stones. At the side, if there are six stones, then black can't save it. Yeah. Ladder. Okay. Tiger's mouth. Connect. Okay. Just answer. Connect. Okay, now he's pressing this group, then I have to fly away to center. Yeah, keep play on here. This game, my opponent had a too many overplay. Yeah, compared to before, last two games. Everything is actually vital point. What he is playing is vital point, but now there is a timing problem. Timing is not on time, then always there is trouble like now. Yeah, this is getting bitten, and this one, and then here, Hane. Vital point has to be on time. Yeah, but now that's too fast. That's his problem. Okay, this game. Yeah. Let me have a simple review also here. Always he is aggressive, but now because of too aggressive, that's why black is broken. I think for main topic of this game was the upper side. Yeah. And when you want to set up the upper side, wow, it's so big, right? That we have to reduce. I just need to wait for the timing when there become biggest. So if black just answers here, then white can keep play on here. I don't think black can play one more step there because even my right hand side and lower side is very big. So if he just continue to play, I don't know, maybe invade here. Yeah, like this. And then now it's timing. I can invade here or this one. I can start. Yeah. But he decided to pincer. Yeah, it's making quite annoying for me. Yeah, now he's asking me whether I want to jump. Then he want to make the upper side naturally. So I had to use the tactics. Yeah. If he answer, then this is work. Yeah, this is working. It works. Then I can reduce the upper side naturally. Yeah, so he doesn't accept. I think it was okay. That's making sense. Just he has to let me save there. Oh, sorry. Let me save here, and then he can just trade here. Then it's a long game. I can just go to the big place. Yeah. It wasn't bad exchange, because now black spent one more step there for protecting the corner. Now it was one of the sacrifice. But now he wanted to continue, so I set up the I shape first, and Inshu learns to block and then go out to center. So it's one time to make something and ask him whether he wanna give me this like this. Then really very strong. I can go to big place. And if he doesn't accept like lecture game, then he wanna capture, then I can keep go out to center. And yeah, he is keep beating the vital point, but the problem is when he has to defense, then he is keep beating. Yeah, so now the capturing race is difficult for black. Yeah, that's why I could capture here. Yeah, even this one, I think he regret. Then black was supposed to play here, play nice move. Thank you for following me. Yeah, here. Then it's still not playable, but still he can hold up the game. But black keep fight separate, but they are separating as a no reason. Yeah. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, and then now I have a chance to beat this group. Yeah. So black cannot save it. Yeah. After this, just black has tried. Yeah. Okay, that's it.